This Jura Z10 is extremely modern for a coffee machine, and it has a lot of nice features. There is a large touchscreen up here, and the spouts are adjustable, so you can move the height and you can adjust the width. And there's a milk spout in the middle and a hot water spout on the side. To empty the drip tray, you take this part of the machine out, and you can also dump out the coffee grinds that are inside. To access more item menus, you can use this rotary dial on top. Lights come on when you're making the drink. This machine was really well thought out when they made it. It has so many nice features. It has a large capacity water tank that's portable. There's a coffee grinder inside that grinds specifically to the drink you choose, and it also does cold brew and ice drinks. So it has everything. It can accommodate up to 32 drinks for large crowds, and just that it's adjustable, it has some flexible options, it looks nice, and you can attach the milk spout if you want it, or you don't have to. This is an excellent quality, highly efficient, just really great machine. We think it's pretty awesome.
I actually found a pretty good deal on it. I'll put a link to that in the comment below, so you can check that out, interested in picking one up for yourself.